Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start up with the chapter number 6, seasons. The topic is seasons. As we study that there are 4 types of seasons, same way there are 4 types of seasons in French also. We are going to study the seasons in French. The first one is l'automne. Focus on the pronunciation. L'automne. That is autumn. Next, le printemps. That is spring. Le printemps. Next is hiver, that is winter. Hiver. And L apostrophe is added, that becomes l'hiver. Okay? L'hiver, liver ko l'hiver kar diya, okay? This is l'hiver, that is winter. Next is H, that is summer. Okay? Summer season. All the seasons are masculine in French. Okay? All the seasons are masculine. Here L apostrophe, L apostrophe, L apostrophe. Because our next word is vowel. Here it is A, H and E. H is also a vowel. So we are placing the article definitely L apostrophe. And here S is added. This is the exceptional case. S is added, though it is a masculine season. It will only be considered as masculine season. All seasons are masculine in French. Okay. So now we are going to read about seasons.
Okay, now I'm reading the chapter, reading the season, all 4 types of season. Then we'll do the explanation and you'll write it in your notebooks. First one is l'automne. En automne, les feuilles tombent, il fait du vent. En automne, les feuilles tombent, il fait du vent. Le printemps. Au printemps, il y a beaucoup de fleurs. Il fait beau. Le hiver. En hiver, il neige. Il fait froid et la terre est blanche. Le été. En été, nous allons à la plage. Il fait chaud. Le soleil brille. Now the first one, l'automne. In autumn, please write it down in your notebooks, everyone. In autumn, the leaves fall. In autumn, the leaves fall. And the wind blows. In autumn, the leaves fall. And it's windy. In autumn, the leaves fall. It full stop, it's windy, means the wind blows, okay? In Hindi, if we talk about this autumn season, what is it? Patjhad ka mausam we say, right? So leaves fall in the patjhad mausam. That's what we are studying. You have to write in English, Avneet. This is the explanation. Please write down with pencil at the side of this box given in the autumn. Second one is le printemps. In spring, there are so many flowers. In spring, there are so many flowers and the weather is nice. In spring, there are so many flowers and the weather is nice. Third is hiver, that is winter. In winter, it snows. In winter, it snows. It's too cold. It's too cold. And the earth is white. Whenever it snows, snowfall is there. It falls down the earth and the earth becomes white. In winter, it snows. and it is too cold. In winter it snows, it is too cold, and the weather is, and the earth is white. Last one is Laet, that is summer. In summer, we go to beach. In summer, we go to beach. It is hot. In summer, we go to beach. It is hot. And the sun shines. Chapter 6 now. We are going to do the vocabulary. Please focus on the pronunciation of French words. Page number 70. First, I'll read the French words and then randomly I'll read English words. Au printemps, in spring. En autumn, in autumn. En été, in summer. En hiver, in winter. Beaucoup de, lots of. Dans le jardin, in the garden. Il neige, it's snowing or it snows. L'herbe, grass. La boîte, box. La craie, chalk. La feuille, leaf. La piscine, swimming pool. Le chapeau, hat. Le ciel, sky. Le papillon, butterfly. Le soleil, sun. Le tronc, trunk or tree. Les raisins, grapes. Tomber ou tombant, to fall. Tous les jours, every day or daily. Voler, to fly. Blanc, white. Bleu, blue. Brun, brown. Gris, gray. Indigo, indigo. Jaune, yellow. Noir, black. Rouge, pink. Rouge, red. Vert, green. Violet, purple. Marron is brown color. Orange is orange.